Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam was unable to sync your files. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Steam. Click on this Steam tab on the top and select the exit option. And now Steam will shut down. And then open up File Explorer, go to C drive and go to Program Files x86 and double click on the Steam folder. Now find user data folder. Just right click and select delete option. Now just close tab here and restart the PC. After restarting, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2 is just need to open up Steam and select the Steam tab and select settings. On left side select storage. On right side click on this three dot icon and select repair library. After getting this repair library done, just to close tab here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3 you just need to open up Steam and right click on the game you're having problem with and select properties. Go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting verified done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4 you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Firewall. Comes up Windows Defender Firewall, click on open it. On left side select turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. And you just need to turn off this Windows Defender Firewall guys. Both of it, turn it off and click on OK. And now just need to turn off the antivirus. Just need to click on the system tray and if you have Avast or any third-party antivirus, just go to that settings and disable it guys. After disabling it, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If not, method 5, you just need to open up Steam and click on the Steam tab and select exit. And now Steam will shut down and then open up File Explorer, go to C drive, Program Files x86 and find the Steam folder, double click on it. In here you just need to click on any folder and press Ctrl plus A to select all, and then you just need to uncheck this Steam apps and then scroll down and uncheck steam.exe. This is the steam.exe. Other things you just need to right click and select delete option guys. And now everything is deleted except the Steam apps and Steam. And now double click on the Steam and it will reinstall the Steam without having any problem. And this way you can reinstall Steam without deleting your games. And now as you can see, Steam is opened up without having any problem. Now you can log in and your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.